This is Honor X9b 5G, and it's the exciting 2024 upgrade to the best-selling viral phone Honor X9a from 2023. As you can see, this handset has a gorgeous and classy design, and the body is also IP53 certified water and dust resistant. This smartphone has an ultra-high resolution 108 megapixel lossless camera which allows you to crop on images without compromising quality. Honor X9b 5G has 12 gigs of RAM plus 8 gigs of RAM Turbo as well as 256 gigs of internal storage. Amazingly, this smartphone also delivers an incredible 3-day battery life. And for me, the best thing about the Honor X9b 5G is that it's ultra durable. It has an all-angle ultra tough screen that doesn't shatter even if the phone is dropped from a height of 5 feet. So itest natin yan. Matibay ba talaga yung glass screen nito? So let me show you the phone first. So there you go. As you can see, the screen is perfectly fine and wala rin tong any hard case or silicone case. Okay, so let's do this in one take lang, guys, ha? So you have to watch me. And what I have here is concrete flooring with ceramic tiles. So yan talaga yung tipo na pag binagsak mo dyan yung phone mo, malamang mabasag ang screen, lalo na from a height of 5 feet. So, test natin. So my height is around 5'8". So this is around 5 feet. Okay, look guys, ha? Okay, pakita ko muna ulit sa inyo. Ulitin natin. There you go. Okay, so drop na natin, around 5 feet. Concrete floor with ceramic tiles. Okay, watch, watch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, nag-drop sa likod. Ayan guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan siya, nag-drop sa likod. So, ulitin natin na this time naman ang drop sa face niya. Okay. Look. Ulit ha. Siguro maganda, dalawang kamay. O ayan, ganyan na lang. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go. So nakita ninyo, it's face first. So yung glass screen niya muna yung tumama. And as you can see, the phone is perfectly fine. Yung glass screen niya, buong buo pa rin. There you go. So, anong verdict ko? Talagang namang ultra tough itong Honor X9b 5G. Alright. Durable. Honor X9b 5G will be officially launched in the Philippines on January 12, 2024. Stay tuned for more updates about this new and exciting smartphone on techpinas.com.